In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on marketing features in Salesforce. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm everything is active so you can start using the tools right away. First, make sure you're signed in to your Salesforce org and that you have the right level of access. Turning features on typically requires admin permissions. If you're not an admin, you may need to ask someone who is to complete this for you. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen. Click the gear icon. From the menu that appears, choose Open Advanced Setup. Depending on your org's interface, this area may simply be called Setup, but the idea is the same. You're opening the place where all configuration lives. When Setup loads, focus on the search box on the left side of the page. This is the quick find field that helps you jump straight to what you need. Type Marketing Features into that search box. As you type, you should see a result labeled Marketing Features. Click it to open the settings page. On the Marketing Features page, look for the option to turn on. Click Turn On. Salesforce may take a moment to apply the change. If you see a confirmation banner or the button changes state, that's your signal that the feature is now enabled. If you don't see the option to turn it on, it usually means your profile doesn't have the necessary permissions, or your edition doesn't support it, so reach out to your admin or check your org's licensing. Once the feature is enabled, you can access the marketing capabilities directly from the main navigation. Look to the left bar in your Salesforce interface and click Marketing. This opens the area where marketing tools and settings are organized. If marketing doesn't appear right away, try refreshing your browser, switching to the relevant app if your org uses multiple apps, or using the same quick find search to locate marketing from the left panel. That's all there is to it. You clicked the gear icon and opened Advanced Setup, searched for marketing features, turned it on, and then accessed marketing from the left bar. If you plan to roll this out to a team, consider letting users know that the menu item may appear after a brief refresh, and double-check that their profiles have the proper permissions to see the new features. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, feel free to replay any part to follow along as you enable the features in your own org.